Tips for buy property.
Hello friends, buying a property is a great dream and it is not an easy decision. We have to do good research about the property which we are planning to buy. It is advisable that before finalizing the property, we should conduct a brief survey of the property. Well, I will tell you how can we check the viability and legality of the property. I divide this process in two parts. One is personal survey and the second is legal aspects. First of all, we have to keep in our mind the following points for personal survey of the property. Number 1. Property price and budget. There should be proper symmetry between cost and budget of the property. Prices should be checked from various builders in the same area. Please also ensure that there is no hidden cost involved. Number 2. Area. Before shortlisting the property, we have to check the exact super and carpet area of the property. Price of common area is shared with all the owners of the property. Number 3. Locality. Locality should be convenient for all the members of the family. Area should be safe and secured, authorized by competent authority with clean and healthy atmosphere. Number 4. Connectivity. Please check the connectivity with other areas. Basic facilities like transportation, hospitals, schools, markets, banks and parks are also nearby. Number 5. Builder's track record. Reputation of builder or housing authority from whom we are buying the property should be checked. Status of their other projects, quality of construction and timely completion should also be taken care. Number 6. Resale value. It is important that the value of the property which we are buying should increase in the near future. It will be easy to sell the property at a competitive price. Number 7. RERA compliance. It is most important to check that property is under RERA compliance, free from any structural deficit in the future. Now we check some legal aspects after shortlisting the property. Number 1. Chain of the property. Before buying the property, please ensure to check all the previous original documents like allotment letter, agreement to sell, sale deed in the name of the previous owners. This is a part of the chain of the property. Number 2. Sale deed. Latest original sale deed to be checked. It includes the detail of previous buyers and sellers. It is also called title deed of the property. Number 3. Allotment letter. It is a very important document issued by builder or housing authority. In this letter, description and cost of the property is mentioned. Allotment of or reallotment letter should be in the name of the seller. Number 4. Agreement to sell. Very important document in the process of sale and purchase of the property. Terms and conditions agreed between seller and buyers are mentioned. Total cost of the property, date of payment and possession are also mentioned. On the basis of this document, sale deed is executed. Number 5. Possession letter. This document is issued by developer to buyer stating the date of physical handover of the property. Only on the basis of this document, buyer cannot be a legal owner of the property. Number 6. Payment receipts. The receipts of all the payments made to the builder should be taken. However, in some cases, separate receipts are not given. Their details are mentioned in the agreement to sell. Number 7. Non-encumbrance certificate. This certificate is taken to ensure that there is no prior charge, either financial or legal, on the proposed property which we are buying. Number 8. Property tax, legal dues. Before buying the property, it should be ensured that seller has paid all the legal dues like property tax, electricity bills or any other revenue taxes. Latest payment receipts should be checked. Number 9. Occupation certificate. This is a very important document which indicate that property is equipped with civic needs such as sanitation, water and electricity. It declares that building is constructed as per approved building plan. Occupation certificate is issued when property is ready to be occupied. Number 10. Approved map. This document should also be checked before finalizing the property. This document contains site plan, blueprint of the project, equipped layout and utilities. Any construction beyond this approved map bring unnecessary risk of demolition of the building. Number 11. No objection certificate. NOC is a statement of permission given to the builder for purchase or construction of property. We should also ensure that builder has taken necessary NOC from the concerned authorities. So, before you venture out to buy a property, it is advisable that you should contact a good property expert or real estate lawyer. They can help you with documents and procedures easily. You can also contact us about any inquiry in respect of sale and purchase of the property. Our mail ID is mentioned in the description box. Please subscribe, like and share it.